we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT as your lawyer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. You'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat interface where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT as your lawyer, you need to prepare specific legal questions or scenarios. Start by clearly stating your legal question or issue. For example, you might say, "I need help understanding my tenant rights," or "Can you explain how to draft a contract for freelance work?" ChatGPT can provide general guidance and information, but remember it's not a substitute for professional legal advice. Use the responses as a basis to further your research, or prepare questions for a professional consultation. You can also ask ChatGPT to simulate a role play where it acts as your legal advisor, guiding you through different scenarios. To enhance the interaction, provide as much context as possible. For instance, if you're dealing with a contract, mention the type of contract and any specific clauses you're concerned about. The more detailed your input, the more tailored the response will be. However, always cross-reference the information with a real lawyer for critical decisions. If you're using ChatGPT for drafting documents, ask it to outline the structure first. Then you can fill in the details or ask for more specific sections. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to assist and augment your legal understanding, not replace expert legal counsel. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT can offer insights and draft templates, it lacks the nuance and jurisdictional expertise of a licensed attorney. It's crucial to use it as a starting point and not the final authority. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.